Can you believe the sky attacks Earth millions of times daily? Scientists estimate that lightning bolts strike our planet about 8 million times every single day. That's more than 90 flashes per second happening somewhere on Earth. Each bolt can heat the air to 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Lightning shapes weather, sparks wildfires, and even helps plants by fixing nitrogen in the soil. While dangerous, it's also a life-giving force in nature. Many ancient cultures saw lightning as messages from the gods. Today, we know it as raw power of the atmosphere. The sky never sleeps, and neither does lightning. Subscribe now for more electrifying science facts.